All right, so this is topic KK3 in Algebra 1, calculating quartiles and the interquartile range. So let's go over the key idea here. So the median is the number in the middle when the numbers are arranged from least to greatest. The lower quartile is the median of the lower half of the data, and the upper quartile is the median of the higher half of the data. So in the data set below, what are the lower quartile, the median, and the upper quartile? So before we read the answer, let's find it. So this is already listed in order from least to greatest. So we find the median by finding the middle number. So in this case, there are two middle numbers. So when that happens, you have to find the average of those two middle numbers. You do that by adding them together and dividing by 2. So 5 plus 7 is 12 over 2 is 6. So the median should be 6. The lower quartile we find by taking the median of the lower half of the data. So this line I just drew splits the data in half. So the median of the lower half is 4. And then the upper quartile we find by finding the median of the top half of the data. So that would also be 4. All right, so let's do another one for practice. So erasing that, we've got a data set here. It is conveniently already set in order for us. If these weren't in order from least to greatest, you need to put them in order. So they need to be in order from least to greatest. So let's find, I always like to find the median first. So to find the median, I just find the number that's in the middle by crossing out 1 on each side until I get to the middle. In this case, there's 2 in the middle again. So I need to find the average of those 2. All right, so my median is going to be 31. Let's get rid of this to find my lower quartile. So my lower quartile, I take the bottom half of the data. So this line right here, I'm splitting my data in half. So the lower quartile is 12. And the upper quartile is 42. So some of these questions might ask you for the interquartile range. So interquartile range. So just know that the interquartile range is the range from the lower quartile to the upper quartile.